Okay guys, I have here a treadmill. So I will press start. As you can see, the time and the speed is running, but the motor here down, it's not running. It don't move at all. See, time and speed and the distance are running, but the motor is still not active. So we will check what is the problem of this. Hey guys, I pull out the board already, and it is very obvious that there is a leakage on capacitors. You see this? And the other one there, the back. So we will remove the board here, and we will troubleshoot the board. Okay guys, this is the three component that we pull out from the board. These are the components that I suspected to be defective. But after checking, I found out that these two capacitors are good. Even there is a sign of leakage on the board, but as you can see, it don't show here. And after testing, these two capacitors are okay. So we will leave it aside and we will focus on this one. This is a power MOSFET IRF 450. So let me show you. Okay, just look at this. You see, there is a short here, also short. So let's replace this MOSFET and we will see. So now guys, I put back it again. This is the new power MOSFET, and this is the defective one that we removed. Okay, so we connected the board. You see the motor now is running, and that is the power MOSFET that we replaced. So it's all good now. See, our repair is successful.